Want to start your website and save a huge amount of money on hosting? Right now, there's a special Hostinger deal where you can get up to 85% off on top hosting plans, plus an extra 20% discount on billing, and you also get 3 months of hosting completely free. Yes, you heard that right. This is one of the best hosting deals available right now, especially if you're planning to start a blog, business website, portfolio, or even an online store. Hostinger is known for its fast servers, beginner-friendly dashboard, and reliable performance, which makes it perfect for beginners and professionals. With this offer, you get up to 85% off on the hosting plan, an extra 20% discount applied on billing, and 3 months of hosting free with your plan. And the best part is, Hostinger also provides a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try the hosting completely risk-free. If you're not satisfied within 30 days, you can simply request a full refund. So here is how you can claim this deal. Just click the first link in the description, go to the Hostinger website, choose your hosting plan, and the discount coupon will be applied automatically at checkout. Within just a few minutes, you can set up your website and get it online. But keep in mind, these discount offers are limited and may expire anytime because Hostinger usually runs them only during special promotions. So if you're planning to launch your website, this is the perfect time to grab the deal and save the maximum money. Click the link in the description right now, claim your Hostinger coupon code, and start your website today with 85% discount, 3 months free hosting, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.